Have you been finding difficult on how to edit using your phone or how to edit your thumbnail with your phone? On today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can do that easily. How you can generate your thumbnail or your cover photos for your videos you are posting online. Because many at times, or let me just say, on your videos, the first thing that attract people to watch your video is your thumbnail or your cover photo. What they see first attract them to watch your video. But many people don't know how to edit their thumbnail or change their thumbnail to make it better. Since they cannot do that, people might find their video might be helpful or their video might be very good, but since they don't have a good thumbnail or a good cover photo, their video will never get views. People never go to watch their videos. So stick to this video to the end and you will learn how you can generate and edit your thumbnail or your cover photos for any of your social media handle. Thank you. It's your boy, the Chiboy. You all are welcome. To my returning viewers, you guys are the best, and to my new viewers, please subscribe. Thank you. Let's continue. We'll be using Chrome for this tutorial. You can use any browser version, but I prefer using Chrome. Tap on your Chrome. Tap on the search bar and search for app.vidIQ.com. app.vidIQ. As you can see, this is app.vidIQ.com. Click on it. As you can see, guys, we are on the interface of this particular channel. We are on the interface of this particular tool because this is a tool that helps YouTubers get monetized fast and easily. Because you can generate keywords that will help you generate keywords for your channel, trending topic, and all that. As you can see, this is keyword, daily ideas, competitors, outline. There are many, but on what I'm teaching you is about you edit your thumbnail. Press on create at the left side of the screen. You will see thumbnail, clipping, scriptwriter, or generate, but we are using thumbnail because that is what we are focusing on. Here you can see describe your thumbnail idea. On this area, you have to type the title of that your video or describe what type of video you are making or how the video looks like, how the video about, what the video talks about. Here, just describe on this part, describe your thumbnail idea. Type it there and it will generate the best thumbnail for you. Generate sometimes 3 or 4. Within these 3 or 4, you can use any of your choice, anyone that's better piece of it, or make it generate. Tutorial, I'll be using how to edit your thumbnail or your cover photos using vidIQ. Now let's type. Let's wait a moment for it to load. Once you are done typing, press on the blue button and we send. Now it is generated for it. As you can see here, it's right. And one of the ways is to it can change the topic for you. Yes, because changing the topic can help you go viral because this topic that you choose, it means that this topic is searchable than what I used before. So you can see it's not what I searched before. I searched for how to generate and edit. But as you can see, this is, you see, vidIQ thumbnail generation guide. See how many things how many should I say how many thumbnail that it has generated. Edit with vidIQ. You see easy thumbnail now. This one vidIQ thumbnail magic. So these ones they are good. So me I would like to use this one. And for me to use this, I would like to edit it and put my own photo or add some effect to it. Yeah, you press on this pencil icon to edit or change anything on this particular thumbnail. Now that it's like this, you can add your photo, your text, or erase something that they have already written itself. So for us now, let's just add a photo as an example. Let's say I'm using this photo now. Let's check it out. This is the photo here. But on this photo, I would like to remove the background. I wouldn't like the background to be different from this one. So I'll just press on remove background. It is removing immediately. This tool is very powerful. It can remove it just in some seconds. Let's wait a moment for the background to be removed, at least so that it can align with this particular thumbnail that we just uploaded. Here is it. Yes, you can see there is no background anymore on it. Then you have to edit it, make it bigger or how you want it to be. Make it bigger. Yes. Now it makes sense. So once you are done with that, press on this download icon here and then it is downloaded to your phone. Or if you want to clean anything, you can just press this erase, clean any of this email. Let me say you are deleting this one, you press on clear. So just delete it once as ASAP, no time to waste. If you find this video helpful, like and share, comment. Let me see what you think that this video is all about. Then share it to your friends so that they can learn more. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.